Hi guys, today I will make this project line follower robotics car. And first of all, this project making I need many components and many parts: 4-wheel, battery, Arduino Uno, bow motor, 2-wire sensor, and L298N motor driver. Next I will fix this gear motor. Next I will connect this gear motor positive negative wire in the L298N motor driver and two side. Connect this wire in the motor driver. Now I will fix this Arduino Uno. Now I will attach the battery in the cardboard. Next fix this 2-wire sensor in the front in the robo car. Connection in this robo car using this circuit diagram. After this connection is complete, now I will uploading this code in the Arduino Uno. Now I will give a power supply in the Arduino Uno is attach the mini breadboard, 5-volt supply, and set up the 2-wire sensor in the RoboCar. Now our project is ready. Line follower robotics car. Now see your result.